G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The stats are in, and not surprisingly, it's been the wettest February on record from the Fraser Coast to the border, including the Lockyer Valley, and for some places the wettest summer on record. And as the clean-up begins, we face another unfortunate challenge with more rain predicted Thursday to Sunday. March has kicked off with scalding sunshine and oppressive humidity, augmented by the stench of mud. Today's top temp in Bundy was 32 degrees and in Gympie 31. To the satellite loop now, it's a lot quieter than it has been over the last several days, though in the tropics, as it has been most afternoons, thunderstorms are getting going inland and some of them are making it to the coast. They're quite strong compact ones, but they're only isolated, as you can see from that bright white popcorn type cloud. In the southeast it's cleared up nicely, but not totally fine. We're still getting random showers here and there, very few. Most of the heavy action's of course in New South Wales now. Today's chart. The first thing you notice is that there are no lines. Normally we rely on a high in the Tasman Sea, which generates the southeasterly trade winds, which keeps us relatively cool. We don't have the high instead. We've got a bunch of lows, which really shouldn't be there. So we don't have those cooling trade winds. Tomorrow's chart, it's exactly the same. Without the cooling trade winds, it's intensely hot and humid anywhere because, or everywhere I should say, because we rely on those winds. Statewide, scorching temperatures. And then on the outlook chart, now the next trough comes in. I hate to say this, but it's another real doomsday scenario for the southeast in terms of more rain coming from Thursday onwards. Just what we don't need. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, northwest to northeast winds, just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, a little bit stronger on Thursday, not much, and back to 10 to 15 on Friday from the north. K'gari offshore waters, south-southwesterlies, just light ones at first, then shifting around to a sea breeze reaching 20 knots, an easterly swell up to 2 metres. Thursday's winds northerly 10 to 15 knots and up to 20 knots on Friday. Our first tide tomorrow will be a high with a strong run out to the afternoon low tide. The new moon's only 2 days away, so the tidal range is fast approaching its peak. The Wide Bay Burnett, a flood warning for the Mary and Burnett rivers continues. 20% chance only of an afternoon storm, but it could be severe. Bundaberg, 33 degrees, same for Gympie. Hervey Bay, 31. Maryborough, again, 33. And looking ahead for Bundy, the days ahead will be intensely humid, with nights becoming insufferably hot in the build-up to the next rainfall event. Big storms from Thursday to Sunday, potentially severe. That's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much. Lovely having your company, folks. Don't forget, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.